let us that this female is the writer of the book, Elaine S. Mariah. You know, the Mariah Physiology. I think you guys are not familiar with textbooks, you know. So Guyton and Gannon and another textbook.
No time for textbook.
Yeah, you have no time. Medical students are having no time for medical books. Yeah, you have no time. Yeah. So Elaine Mariah, this is the writer of. Okay, no problem. By the way, I have the CD. Somebody who is interested in learning physiology through interactive way, this one. I think there is the muscular system, there is renal, there is cardiovascular, and there is respiratory system in my CD. If you need, I can give it to you for purpose of studying at home. You can make copy of the CD, and you can, because the author, if you don't switch off the narration, she explains to you everything. Okay? It is in animation form also. So all these things, review of the skeletal muscle metabolism, neuromuscular junction, sliding filament theory, contraction of motor units, contraction of whole muscle, everything about muscle physiology. Similarly for different respiratory system, etc. are also there. So if you are interested in having more than the OSPE and the end of block examinations, so you can take the CD. I can give it to you. Anyway, let us go to our, and let us jump to the muscle twitch. Go to page, and this is the setup for the muscle twitch. Okay, yani this is the gastrocnemius muscle, and this is the sciatic nerve, the yellow that you see, the nerve, and you see from the, I don't think so, you can see. Okay, the nerve, and these are the electrodes, and this is the stimulator, and this is the recorder, chart recorder. Okay. Right. So if we give one stimulus, what happens? We get the muscle to contract. You see that the muscle contracts. Did you see the muscle? See the muscle? See, it is going. This is the stimulus that is going, and the muscle is contracting. Right? And when we go ahead, we get the three phases: the latent period, the contraction period, and the relaxation period. Now, if I click on this color, it gives the reason for the explanation for that particular period. For example, latent period. What are the causes of latent period? Three causes here. Okay. Similarly, if I click on contraction, on relaxation, we get all the reasons for the contraction. What is happening? What is the muscle physiology? What is going on at the molecular level inside the muscle during these phases? Okay. Similarly, if we go temporal summation of two stimuli. So instead of single, we keep double, and we give the stimulus. As we have already seen, this second stimulus is falling in the relaxation period, correct? So you can just go on and study about these things. Effect of time interval. This is about frequency. Okay. Now here you can see 50 milliseconds, I think, 50 milliseconds, 70 milliseconds, and 90 milliseconds. Okay. So if we keep it at 50 milliseconds and stimulate, what happens? 50. Now if you decrease it further to 70, what happens? And if you decrease it further, what happens? Okay. What you are doing is, are you decreasing or increasing? You are increasing, in fact, from 50 milliseconds to 70 milliseconds, increasing further to 90 milliseconds. Okay. If you keep on increasing the frequency of the second stimulation, what is happening? Next is, I think, can you answer this question? What do you think will happen if you wait, instead of 90, 110 milliseconds? If you increase the second frequency to 110, what will happen? The height of the curve will be the same as at 90. Height of curve will be less than the first, or height of curve will be equal to the first. Equal to the first. Correct? Okay. Next. Now summation of stimuli. Summation means repeated stimuli, continuously given. Now I will begin from here. You see? Now it is contracted. Now it is relaxing, relaxing, relaxing. Finally, okay, the last chart that we had seen in our PPT, isn't it? Once again, look at the muscle. Yeah, in that we had seen at 5 milliseconds, at 10 milliseconds, we are increasing the frequency, isn't it? So what happens? As you can see, the contraction relaxation is complete. Then they are merged. This is the, what is this phenomena? Trepe or staircase phenomena. This one. What is this?
Incomplete.
Incomplete tetanus, also called as clonus. Right? What is this?
Complete.
Complete tetanus. What is this?
Relax.
No,
After relax.
not relaxation. Fatigue. Yeah, relaxation is different.
Yes.
Relaxation is after contraction. Contraction is the relaxation. This is not relaxation. This is getting tired, yani fatigue of the muscle. Okay? This is fatigue. Here you see the beneficial effect, the trepe, the incomplete tetanus or clonus, tetanus, and so on. Now if you go on, you can see trepe, okay, trepe, temporal summation, again also trepe. This is incomplete tetanus or clonus here, then this is complete tetanus and this is
Fatigue.
fatigue. Okay? Now, if you want to know the reason for that, just click here, the reason for that. Just click here and you get the reason for temporal summation. Then just keep on clicking on the chart and you can. If you want this, you can take my CD. Okay? That's it. That is. I think we don't need to do anything else. Yes, Allah.
So what about